Hello, let me show you the world's simplest, probably cheapest router table. A bit of wood with a hole cut in it to fit your router, and as it happens my router fits just about through the hole in the top of my Black & Decker Workmate. I can clamp the router in place. It's a sort of router that if you turn on stays on, that goes over the top and off you go. You can go and do all sorts of things like roundovers and all the rest of it, and put edges on all your pieces. These are some pieces that you're about to see me do with the power of editing, and that's it. Simple as you like. And that, all you do is, before you drop that in the hole, set your height on your router. As they drop it in, pop that across the top, and that was made by cutting a hole in piece of wood with a jigsaw, piece of MDF. These things, you'll have to check them, check yours, but these are normally 18mm, which is a stock size for things like MDF. You don't want to use ordinary wood, or rather proper wood, simply because it will twist and warp, whereas MDF is nice and stable. Now hopefully this video will be of use to you. If it is, please like, please share, please subscribe, and I will show you how I did all this. You can see how quick and fast it is. And there we have the world's simplest routing table. Just a lump of wood, or rather a lump of MDF, 18mm thick, which is the same thickness as this. And look at it go. If it's the sort of work you need to do with router tables, sort of rounding over, there is no need to have anything more complicated. I will be building something more complicated at a later stage, but there you go. All I did was got a piece of MDF, traced out the shape of the base of the router, cut a hole with a jigsaw, drilled a hole first, then cut a hole with a jigsaw, and off you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.